be comparing the Kinky Curly Curling Custard and the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. Now the Cantu is, or on Amazon it's about $3.99, whereas the Kinky Curly is about $32.99, so there's a big difference in price. In terms of consistency, the Kinky Curly, there's not much in here, but hopefully that'll be enough just for this review. It seems thicker, so if I hold it up that way it won't fall out, whereas the Cantu is quite runny. I don't know if you can see that. The Cantu has a fruity smell, whereas the Kinky Curly is more of a vanilla scent to it. I've already, my hair's been washed and I've applied a leave-in conditioner. I'm just using this African Pride leave-in conditioner because I just wanted to purely review the two custards without the brand's respective leave-in conditioners. I'm going to apply the Kinky Curly on this side and I'll apply the Cantu on this side. And I have done a full tutorial for the Cantu products along with the leave-in conditioner, and I'll try and work out how to put links somewhere in case you want to watch it. So I'll go away and I'll wait for this to dry and then I'll come back and we'll see what the differences are. So it's been about 6 hours now, my hair's air dried, both sides have taken about the same amount of time to dry, so there's no difference there, and I can't really see much difference in either side. They've both, my curls are defined on both sides, there's not much frizz. There might be a slightly bit more frizz on the Cantu side, but not really much at all. I did get a little bit of flaking up here from the Cantu, but that might have just been because I didn't perhaps comb it through enough. But with the Kinky Curly being 10 times the price of the Cantu, I don't really think there's enough difference really to make it worth spending that much more money. So yeah, I mean, both look pretty much the same, I think. I'll put a list of the different ingredients for each below. And if you like this video, please like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe.